Hello and welcome to our demo game for the Bingo app. Before we get started, I'd like to briefly describe the things that you're seeing on the screen, how to play the game, and then we'll call some numbers. The first thing that you'll see is this video, where you can see the bingo caller and beside them the bingo board. The bingo board is there to help you, the player, keep track of the numbers that have been called. Above the bingo board, we'll highlight the last 5 numbers that have been called. Below the video, you'll see a bar that allows you, the player, to cycle through each game. Game 1 is blue, Game 2 is green, Game 3 is yellow, and Game 4 is red. Let's cycle back to Game 1. Below that bar, you'll see tabs. Card 1 is the first tab, Card 2 is the second tab. Selecting those tabs allows you to move through the different bingo cards. You can also swipe from left to right or right to left to get to the next or previous bingo cards. The bingo card itself is made up of 2 panels. Each panel has 15 numbers in it. All the numbers 1 to 9 are in the first column. The numbers 10 to 19, the second. The numbers 20 to 29, the third, and so forth, all the way up to the last column where the numbers 80 to 90 can be found. Each game consists of 3 stages: a single line, a double line, and a full panel. When we play for a single line, you have to have a single line in either panel from card 1 or card 2 completely marked. If you do that, you win a prize. When we play for a double line, we want 2 lines within a single panel to be fully marked. And a full panel for the third stage means all 15 numbers inside one panel on either card 1 or card 2 have been fully marked. When we finish a full panel, we move on to the next stage. So we would go to Game 2. Once we do the single line, double line, and full panel from that game, we would move on to Game 3. Once we'd finished the single line, double line, full panel in Game 3, we would move on to our final game, or our jackpot game, Game 4. The concept on every game is the same. 2 panels. The numbers are always laid out in the same fashion. Every bingo player has a randomly generated bingo card, and the idea is to mark all the numbers for either a single line, a double line, or a full panel in any stage. Okay, let's call some numbers. We'll try and take it slow, but not too slow. The first number we're going to call is 8. So if you check card 1 and card 2, and if you have the number 8, you can mark it. The next number is 35. Again, check if you have the number. Next, we'll call 36. Next is 47. Let's call 56. 21. 61. You can see that as we're calling, the last 5 numbers are on display in the video. The next number is 87. Next, we'll call 48. Now, if you selected 48, you will get a message on the screen telling you that you've won a prize. If you click OK, we'll move on to the next stage, which is a double line. We want to mark 2 lines in the same panel to win a prize. So the next number is 29. Next is the number 2. Next, we'll call 90. $58. 19. 67. 81. 69. 39. If you've marked 39, you should have a double line. Another message appears on screen. If you select OK, we'll play for the full panel. So remember, the full panel means all 3 lines of 5 numbers each in that panel need to be marked. So next, we'll call 80. 62. 61. 74. 73. 'Finally, we'll call 18. If you've marked 18, you've just won the full panel. So, that's how we play the game. I hope this has been informative, and thank you for watching.